Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make an origami tulip. It is very easy to make. You can use this model as a decoration. And we need 2 pieces of regular origami paper, one for the flower, the other one for the leaves, and some tape. If you like our video, please give us a like, share, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done it. We're going to start with the flower. We'll start with the origami paper white side up and fold it in half vertically. Crease, unfold, and then fold it again vertically to the center. And do the same for the other side. Unfold. And now we're going to fold this corner to the crease we've just made. And do the same here. And then fold them back in. Now we're going to fold the bottom corners in to the middle line, and this one too. And now we bring this corner here. Now turn the model over, and we're going to fold the bottom corners about halfway to the middle. And the flower is ready. Next we'll do the leaves. We start with the white side up, fold it in half diagonally, crease, and fold it again in half. Now we'll bring the bottom corner here, and then we'll bring this corner here. And this corner here. Okay. And now we're going to put the flower inside and use some tape to stick them together. That's it. I hope you found our video interesting, and if you did, please give us a like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, please take a look at the description below this video to find links to other fun origami models and also to some interesting gift wrapping tutorials. See you next time!